When you look in the mirror each morning, do you cheer for yourself or attack yourself? Mel Robbins says almost nobody starts the day with support. We start with quiet self-rejection. What if fixing that is one physical gesture away? In her book, The High Five Habit, take control of your life. With one simple habit, Mel Robbins says, after you brush your teeth, you must high-five yourself in the mirror. You look yourself in the eye and say, without words, I've got you. Could something this small actually work every morning? Why a high five? Your brain already links that gesture with encouragement, victory, and trust. Think teammates, not shame. It's almost impossible to slap your own hand and think, I'm worthless, because the body signal overrides the insult. Can your own hand interrupt 20 years of self-criticism? The habit is this. Pause. See the human in the mirror, then raise your hand and give that person a slow, deliberate high five. No pep talk required. The action itself becomes proof you're on your own side. What happens when I've got you becomes automatic. Your reticular activating system, the brain filter that decides what you notice, can be trained. When you high five yourself, you're teaching that filter, we are worth effort. You start seeing chances instead of proof you'll fail. Imagine walking into the day, already scanning for wins. Next move, flip the script. Catch, I'm not ready, and rewrite it as, I'm capable and still learning. Robbins says, you have to interrupt the spiral fast before anxiety talks you out of doing the thing that matters. Question, how many decisions did fear quietly steal this week? When panic, shame, or self-doubt hits, plant your feet, hand on chest or stomach, breathe. Say, I'm safe, I'm okay, I'm here. You're teaching your nervous system that you can self-soothe instead of self-abandon. What if you became the person who steadies you? Do this daily, and your relationship with yourself changes. Confidence stops being something you wait to feel and becomes something you practice in real time, on regular mornings. When you respect yourself, you stop begging for permission from everyone else. So, tomorrow morning, who's the first person you'll cheer for? Your first job every morning is to have your own back.